In this video, you are going to learn how to make a tasty smoothie. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let's go make this delicious smoothie. A glass of fruit smoothie can taste so delicious if you know how to combine the right fruits and the right amount. So here I'm going to make a tasty smoothie from ripe banana, blueberries, strawberries, grapes, and lemon. So I am going to add all my fruits to a blender with 1 cup orange juice and 1 cup of water. And to give it a light citrus taste, I add 1 tablespoon of lemon. This makes it so refreshing. And to give it a little sweetness, I add about 1 tablespoon of raw honey. You can add enough sweetness to your taste. Once I combine all the fruits, I go ahead and blend it out nicely. So here I didn't like the way it was thin, so I go ahead and add 1 more ripe banana. And here I have a lovely looking and tasty fruit smoothie. This smoothie came out so delicious. I really fall in love with this. It's my first time making it, and this will be one of my favorites. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe out. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like. Share this video with your friends and family. Bye. Until next time. A big shout out, of course, to my faithful subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys so much for your love and support.